Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Of course, give the permissions it needs. Okay. And as you can see right now we are in the standard photo mode, so the capture mode. All we have to do is to tap on the settings in the right upper corner, and now let's find a proper option which is in this device called countdown duration. So let's tap on it. Here we've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be immediately marked or notified. And now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Okay. Of course, you can always turn it off. Just go back, tap on the countdown duration and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.